Good morning.
Good morning.
Glad to see you back, Robert. Amazing. Are you happy to be back? Okay, so today is December the 1st. It's a brand new month. It's Thursday, and our learning intentions for science is I can explain the relationship between frequency and pitch. And our success criteria, I know I have got it when I determine what factors affect the pitch of a vibrating object and relate that to the object's frequency. That's what we're doing today. Here is our focus question. How do size and tension affect pitch? Are we writing this down, Mr. McDowell? No?
Oh, yeah, that question is on the next available page.
Next available page.
Can you number your page?
How do size and tension affect pitch?
Right here. How do size and tension? Where's your notebook? Open your notebook. Hey, Jason. We're going to write down that question, okay? Make sure this is the exchange. Yes, it is.
Thank you. How do size and tension affect pitch? Thank you. While some are still writing, thank you, Coriana. Does anybody remember what pitch is? Jaleel, what's pitch?
It's like a loud noise.
You said a loud noise?
Yeah, like a high, like screaming noise.
High screaming noise. That's what Jaleel thinks pitch is. Yes?
Do it.
Yes?
If you do it. High pitch is like
Okay.
here.
How high or low a sound is? And it's caused by change in frequency. Did we hear her? Say it again louder so we can all hear you. What is it? What is pitch?
How high or low a sound is
No, just don't worry about this.
by a change
Yes, how high or low a sound is based on the frequency of that sound. All right? Did we all get the question written down?
Yes.
We're still waiting? Thank you, Alex.
Is that on the website? Is there a way that I can get this? Like the notes for them? Or no?
Yes.
Is there a way that I can access this so that we can take it back to the classroom?
Yeah, what's your email?
Oh, here we go. I'm a hyphenated name, so don't judge.
Okay.
R Cortez with an S.
Okay.
I think it has a hyphen Solis. R Cortez Solis.
Okay, I see it.
You see it? Okay.
Yeah. I
Thank
just
you.
shared it with you.
Look, let me explain why I'm hyphenated. My brother decided to marry a Ruth that was born the same year as me.
Oh, my goodness.
So I had to hyphenate this. I'm gonna go get my computer.
Okay.
If you don't mind. I'll be right back, guys.
All right. Does anyone think they can answer the question? We haven't talked about it, but what are your thoughts on it? How do size and tension affect pitch? Yes?
Like if you turn something really high,
Mm-hmm.
it turns into
Like a high pitch. Okay. Yes, Lola?
so like hey, it's like this sound
Mm-hmm.
is really big.
Mm-hmm.
The sound coming from this is gonna be low.
Okay. All right. That's a good observation. We know that big objects vibrate slower, right? And so the sound would be lower. Here's an example. Does anybody know what a trumpet is?
Yeah.
Have you heard a trumpet? I know you've heard of a trombone, I know. But have you heard the sound of a trumpet?
Yes.
Yes. Have you heard the sound of a tuba?
Yes.
And do you know what a tuba looks like?
Yes.
Between those two instruments, which one has the higher pitch? Which one has the higher pitch? A trumpet or a tuba?
Trumpet.
Here's the next question. Which instrument is smaller? The trumpet is smaller. What, it's about this long maybe? What's the size of a tuba? Big. Like you gotta carry it on your shoulder and okay? Yeah, it's not really heavy. You're right. So, which instrument would be a higher pitch?
Trumpet.
The trumpet. Why? Why, Jeremy? It's a smaller instrument, and those air molecules, what happens to the air molecules? It's not that many because it's not a big space. So, the less air molecules, the bigger or the shorter the wavelengths, right? The shorter the wavelengths because it doesn't have any room to go anywhere. So that pitch is going to be high. But the tuba is big, right? Air molecules can really move in there. And the wavelength is bigger because the vibrations are not as strong or they're lower vibrations. All right, I think we have a video.
On the screen share.
Oh, but let's write the answer down. The answer is, how do size and tension affect pitch? Pitch is determined by the frequency of a vibrating instrument. Pitch is determined.
Did we just write this down?
You wrote the question down, but here's the answer. I'm trying to see if I can make it big.
I'm about to
Oh,
screen share.
okay.
Make it big. Hold on. What's the number? Eli, the screen share.
Did you
You in the
finish
back?
writing this? Yeah, it's not with me.
It's not doing it.
This is what I wrote down.
Hit the fire button.
Fire button.
He can hear me.
So,
It just keeps on
Keeps
going.
going away.
Let me see. Do it again. Okay. I don't know what's going on with the board. All right, there's the answer that you need to write in your notebook under the question that you wrote.
Pitch is determined by the frequency of a vibrating object. That's what pitch is determined by.
here's the answer for you. Did you even finish writing the question, Jason? Do you need me to go back? Do you need me to go back? No. We'll review this in the classroom, okay?
Wait, go up.
Where?
No. Ask me. Up. Okay.
Thank you.
Go down. Slowly.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay, and after you've written the answer to the question, we're going to watch a video. Are we ready?
No.
Not yet? Okay. Are we good?
No.
Not yet. Pitch is determined by the frequency of a vibrating object. Thank you, Eli. Jaleel, you ready to go? Okay. I think we're waiting on Alex. Thank you. All right.
All right, we good?
Yes.
No.
No. You didn't
I'm not
finish?
good. Julia, you not good? Take Eli's and copy Eli's. We can move on. Alright, so this is called the physics of sound. And then it says what affects the pitch of a guitar string. So you might have seen, if you've seen a guitar before, you might have seen where people have to tune a guitar to make sure that all the strings play the right notes, right? So we're going to take a look at that. What affects the pitch of a guitar string? So, how does the length affect the pitch of a guitar string? Look at what it says. It says long string length.
I did it.
Listen to it. That's the long.
Listening here.
Jason. That's the long string length. The sound that that makes. Listen to the medium. And now let's listen to the short. And then I want you to discuss with your group the difference between these three different string lengths. Like this, right? Alright, so talk to your group. What's the difference? How do you think length affects how the sound of the string? I'll play them again real quick.